Are you scrolling through TikTok, or maybe it's Instagram Reels, and on the feed you see these people do amazing transitions and you just can't wrap your head around how they're doing it? Well, don't worry anymore. I'm here to help you out. Hey, Jessica here. I'm here to help you understand how to do transitions to stand out in a crowded place. And today we're going to go over 4 different ones, and they're simple. Later on, we'll get into a more complex transition, shall I say. So we are going to go over the hand swipe, the snap, what I call around the world. It's where it looks like the phone is going all the way around your head transition. And which other one did I say we were going to do? I haven't come up with one, so we will come up with it on the spot. So it should be a fun video today, so let's get into it. Today we are going to edit specifically in the Reels app. Another day we will edit in TikTok, same edits, but today Reels. And one thing I want to make clear, if you do any transition, you will always nail it if you always start and end in the same position. So if you can get that down, you'll be able to edit anything, I promise. So let's get into it. I have my phone over here so you can see exactly what I'm doing, and it will be on my screen so you can follow along with me. So the first one we're going to do is the hand swipe tutorial. Once you're in the Reels app, all you have to do is press record and swipe your hand over the camera. So here we go. Then press stop. Then there's the back arrow, and it has your face over it. It shows exactly what you just shot. You want to do that and click the scissors, and then you want to trim to where your hand is in front of the camera. Perfect. Once you do that, press done, and you want to film one more time, and this is where you can do an outfit change, anything. I'll hold my gallon jug so you can see that it's a little bit of difference. And we're going to press play and stop, and you're going to do the exact same thing. We are going to go back. We're going to use the scissor, and we're going to start it with our hand in front of the camera for a clean transition. And then you always preview it to make sure it's exactly how you want it to look. And perfect. For the second transition, I'm going to show you how to do the snapping tutorial. Super simple. A lot of people use it to switch outfits, different locations. You can use your mind to do so many different things. So in this one, in the Reels feature, we are going to show you how to use the align feature. What you want to do is when you go back, you want to edit it to where you're right in the middle of the snap, and then you'll come in at the middle of the snap also to make the perfect edit. So here we go. We are going to just press play or record, and you can do anything you want. I'm going to turn to the side and snap. So here is the align feature. You're going to press align, and you will see exactly where you ended. So I want to try and get on that spot. I'm going to put on my hat, match my eyes, and right here, just to be safe, we're going to set a 3-second timer and press record. And then we're going to go back and edit one more time. So when you edit your first clip, make sure to trim off the back half when you're in mid-snap. And for the second clip, you want to trim the first half when you are in mid-snap. This way, it'll be a seamless transition. Perfect! You guys, that align feature, oh shoot, I saved it, is everything. I'm going to have to save that. So hold on 1 second. I'm going to take my phone off of the tripod for this one because I call this next transition around the world. It's pretty much where the phone looks like it's going around your head. Super simple. I think everyone overcomplicates it, so let's get into it. So step 1 for this is you want to start here and end right behind your ear to where it shows your hair, to where it looks like you're going around. And then over here, you want to start back here and bring it around. Therefore, it looks like a smooth transition all the way around. So here we go. And I always make sure it's super fast. And then part 2. And this is where we start editing. And I forgot to mention, it's always nice if it's starting on motion, not on a still shot towards like this. If you have it starting toward, it looks like there's a little motion already going, that'll start very smoothly. It'll look smooth, not start smoothly. Okay, so let's see what this looks like. Bam. For the fourth and final transition, we are going to do the hat flip transition. The number one thing you need to know is that your hat needs to be pointing down if it is a ball cap. So let's go over to reels. You wanna make sure some of it is in frame, but the key point is when you flip it to make sure some of it is covering the top part where the camera is. So when you do the transition, you do the same and you blend it nicely together. That's part one. Since I didn't bring glasses in, we are just gonna put my hair up for the quote transition. Okay, that's gonna be my transition. So now we're gonna do it one more time. Okay, so now we go back and edit. For this transition, the first clip, you want to make sure you trim the back half of the clip when the hat is in front of your face or camera. Make sure it's hiding you. And for the second clip, you want to trim the beginning of it with the hat hiding you so the transition will be seamless. Perfect. And there you go. We went over 4 different editing tutorials on how to do it in Reels, easy peasy for beginners. If you loved this, make sure to comment below what you want to see next. I'm going to be doing them in TikTok. So also subscribe so you know when it's going to drop. I'm hopefully going to be doing them on Wednesdays, but we will see. See you next time.